In my game of poker, I don't want to cheat and be the only winner. I want everyone to feel the same as I do each and every time and pull out a royal straight for everyone in the game.
Was the word again? Thank you so much.
I won't be going into deep mathematics how to explain this because I understand that you can switch off. Instead, I'm going to use some logic and some physical demonstrations so you can see how this works. In here, there's a lottery ticket.
No.
And as you can see, it was drawn today.
Well.
And those have all the numbers on. I'm going to give you a visual demonstration with poker chips. That way we can see how it works and you can see it happening in real time. Yeah, black. Actually, I'm not, people think, again, there might be marking, so I'm going to look away for this one. So just tell me when you go above my hand.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, red. No matter what, anyway, you're handing the spectators the cards, and they're then genuinely shuffling the cards. You do not need to watch this section for the routines to work. However, I would advise that you do. What's the 7-letter word that you were thinking of?
Sausage.
Sausage?
Sausage, yeah.
Huh. It's weird. In this box, I have one singular sausage.
That's fucking mint. That's brilliant. Oh, nice.